Hey guys, today I take you for photography the restaurant. We will be photography all dishes, around 60 dishes, and on color background for one restaurant. I show you what I packing with me for the car, what I take, how I styling everything, the dishes, how I shoot, more things on the shoot. We will be inside in the restaurant. That stay with me and let's go. The place is beautiful, really beautiful. Check how looks everything, so big space. And check, take everything with me. And here we shoot, and here I will be shoot, put the light. This is like we clean, we use the spray all the time on the meat. And this is the setup, one light, another, and here is the on computer, you can see everything. Hey guys, it was a long day, the photo shoot with photography, burgers and more stuff. That's like you see in the video, but I'm happy, and stay for the end. I show you the few photo from this photo shoot after the before editing and after. And if you are interested to see more that's things when I photography restaurant or do that, let me know in the comment.